Okay, good morning, evening, or night, whenever you're watching this. This is a pretty simple week. We're just finishing up the Bill of Rights and taking the final exam. 4 of you, 5 of you are going to do this anyway. Do not do any assignment that I might mention in a video. Don't do it. It is not required. It will not be accepted for extra credit. Do not do anything. Just watch the videos, review the slides. There's nothing you need to do this week other than study for your final, which is not cumulative. It's just on the Bill of Rights. Speaking of the final, I'm going to open that up a bit early. You'll have it on July 26th. It's still going to close on the 31st. So you'll have a good and long time to take it. I know more than a few of you have expressed some concern about that. If you can't find a time to do it between the 26th and the 31st, I really just can't help you. All right, so find a moment, take it. It'll be 2 hours. You only have one attempt. All grades are final. All right. So there are the Sixth Amendment slides. And I hope you all just download them. I don't know why they don't display here, but I'll just zoom. Okay, zoom out. I learned something new right now. Then video. Again, old videos. Do not do any assignments. All right, nothing on here is due. None of these assignments. 7, 8, and 9. These are quick. 7 and 8, especially. We just are watching these 2 YouTube videos. Or 3 YouTube videos, excuse me. And I know some of you have had trouble with the links. The links are not like, they work sometimes, but, you know, if you need to, just type it in the address bar, right? You don't need to be asking me to send you the link again. Try to figure it out yourself. All right, the address is right there. All these videos work. So Amendment 9 is a little bit of a slog. 7 and 8, 3 minutes, 14 seconds. Again, most of it, the James Madison Montpelier Institute did it way better than I ever could have. So we're just watching that, and that is what Amendment 7 and 8 are going to be. Amendment 9, however, I go back to doing it. And then we have the 10th Amendment, and that wraps up the Bill of Rights. Afterwards, you're not going to need to do anything, but the final exam will open on the 26th. It will close on the 31st. Again, let me show you, again, just how it's going to be graded, because, again, I told you last week, your grade is not going to change after you take the final exam. All right, so say you're getting a 75 in the class. All right, that 75 is 80% of your grade. All right. 40, carry the 4, 60. All right, so if you were getting a 75 in the class, and that's 80% of your grade, okay, you're getting 60. Say you get a 90 then on the final. That's 20% of your grade. Your final grade would be a 78%. pretty self-explanatory. Just substitute the number your grade right now goes here. And I just realized I never graded the Magna Carta assignment. I'll go back and do that really very soon. Sorry about that. And we'll get caught up with grading this week. So there you go. That's how your grade is figured out. Other than that, that's really it. None of you are eligible for incompletes or anything of that nature. So you have to take the final, and I'll calculate it, and we'll be wrapped up by the end of the month. All right. Reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns. See you guys. Have a good week.